So hello Java developers. Let's solve another question problem of this string basics programs. And we are solving program 500 programs of this series from beginner to advanced level. We are at beginner level now and solve this question problem. Reverse string. So how to reverse string in Java. So let's do this. Now we are in VS Code and write your file name reverse string dot Java. And now we are in our file and increase the size of this VS Code fonts and write your question problem. Now reverse a string and after that create public class sm as your file name string. Go inside this and create main method public static void main and create a scan class object for taking input new scanner system.in and then semicolon to close this statement. After that, take input string as the input. So first print system.out.println, enter a string and remove this ln so it will not move to next line for taking a input. String string name will be str and anything that you want. Str equal to sc dot next line, then use semicolon. For store this string, we will take one more string reverse variable that will also type of string reverse equal to empty quote only. Restore that. Now use for loop for reverse a string. For int I is less than and equal to str dot length minus 1 semicolon and I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. I think there is an issue in this program. Yes, this is the problem. We will initialize from this statement string dot length man minus 1. Then we will find out it is more than 0 and update this until 0 and we will reduce for updation and store this all into this reverse plus equal to string dot character at index I and then use semicolon so it will save this data means reverse string into this reverse variable. Then we can use system.out.println to print reverse reverse string colon plus reverse and we can also print simple string also. So we can print that one also. String is plus str that we take as an input. So we can also print that one original string or we can write here also original string and now run this program. Enter a string. The string name will be Java programming. So this is our original string Java programming and this is reverse string through G and I double M A R is like that. So it will reverse this whole string. Okay. And now reverse this string through different method. String buffer. We can also use string buffer. So remove this stuff. Just we are not using for loop and in this string reverse we just use only string buffer reverse equal to new string buffer str dot reverse method to reverse the string and then use toString and semicolon. Now it will reverse our string. Try to do this again. Java program. So it will also reverse this string, and this is our original string. So this method you can also use to reverse a string. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java string program series. Okay, so thanks for watching.